India's first Telugu musical app. Listen to Raga Original Telugu Stories. Subscribe now and lock down the offer price for life.
బిగ్సీ హైదరాబాద్లో 6 స్టోర్లు ఒక సిక్సర్ కొట్టి ఈసీఎల్ క్రాస్ రోడ్స్లో 200 స్టోర్ ఓపెన్ చేయడం జరిగింది. స్టోర్ ఇనాగరేషన్ యంగ్ అండ్ డైనమిక్ హీరో హిస్ కాల్డ్ నవయువ సమ్రాట్ అఖిల్ హ్యాస్ ఇనాగరేటెడ్ ఇట్. అండ్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు థ్యాంక్ హిమ్ హార్ట్ఫుల్లీ బికాస్ ఒక ఫ్రెండ్లీ గెస్చర్ మీద ఈస్ బీన్ ఏ గుడ్ ఫ్రెండ్ ఫ్రమ్ లాంగ్ టైమ్. అడగగానే వచ్చి చేసినందుకు వీఆర్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ. సో we've opened our 200th store. I call upon Akhil onto the stage. So we are going to unveil the 200th store, this thing, which we have launched today. So chala emotional gaano chala idiga undandi endukante it's been a 15 years journey. 16th year lo undi Bixi. So 15 samvatsarallo we had momentous acquisition at our 100th store, which was inaugurated by Samantha. And we had the 150th store and 75th store, which we have launched in Hanmakonda and Nellore. So today in Hyderabad, so Akhil was telling, so he was first time coming to ECL. ECL anta dooram మేము అఖిల్ని తీసుకురావడం జరిగింది ఇవాళ. హైదరాబాద్లో 60 stores ఉన్నాయండి. So all these 60 stores has fantastic offers, which we're going to share during this press meet. అట్లాగే another 40 stores we are going to open in Hyderabad.
Media people for coming and grace this occasion. So it's one of the finest moments for us. Okay. So chala saalu ma staff tho ide share cheskunta untam. Okay, success is not a destination, it's a journey and so that's how the Bixi journey has started from 2002 in తీసుకుంటే almost 16 years, 200, in fact 206 not out as on this moment I believe. 200 store inaugurated by Akhil. By that time, ikkadiki vacheyappudu 206 అయిపోయింది అది. 206 not out. So we are on the way to reach 100 stores mark very soon, maybe less than 45 days in Hyderabad, and we are on the way to reach our 300 stores mark in less than 1 year. So because as a market leader, it's not only our business, it's also our responsibility to lead the market and to be a leader in this industry and to fulfill our what our customer expecting on us. So definitely me, my directors and all my team of more than 2,500 people believe in the same ideology to serve the customers and to meet their expectations. We are working on daily basis to satisfy our customers and to meet their demands, requirements, and it's a continuous process. Definitely we will keep on doing that.
As of today, this is the journey of mine with Bixi and the whole family of this. So 2002 నుంచి ఇవాళ వరకు 16 years of a journey, an incredible journey, and 200 stores. I mean, ఇంకేమంటాం, డబుల్ సెంచరీ కొట్టిన తర్వాత మేము మాట్లాడకూడదు. It's just appreciating it. So congratulations to the whole team and for pulling off such an amazing achievement. 60 stores Hyderabad lone anta, and within the next 4 months inko 40 stores. So they're going to hit 100 very soon. That's incredible, absolutely. Every 20 minutes journey lo you can reach a Bixi store ani vinnanu. And as what Swapna Kumar garu tells me also is they're going to deliver the product to your house, which is outstanding. I mean, you don't even have to go to a store now. So I congratulate everyone. I'm thrilled to be here, part of your 200th store opening. Ivala ECL Crossroads lo wala 200th store open chesam, and enta baagundi, enta modern ga undi. The store looks completely high tech, and I was very happy to be there. So thank you for having me. Thank you, sir. And we'll have a long journey, and I wish you all the best for the next 2,000 stores or whatever you're going to open.
No, it's a very good question.
Usually you will say some family member or this or that or someone close to you. But for me it becomes my director. Because if the director and you are not communicating, finished. That's the problem. When you're doing movies, you fully dive into the movie. And the director is my girlfriend at the moment, so Venki Atluri is my girlfriend.
Any other girlfriend in your life?
No, just Venki for now.
Yes.
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp?
Yeah.
Do you play games in phone?
Sorry?
Games?
At the moment, no. WhatsApp is playing games with me only because so many people are messaging me. But I'm trying to stay away from games at the moment because it started, like I said, just started my movie again. It becomes obsessive, games. I listen to a lot of music. So Spotify, Savan, all of these apps, I listen to a lot of them.
So have you calculated your hours? Because
My hours of music?
No, hours of using the phone.
I should check now. I swear I haven't. I think I'm scared. So I don't talk on the phone much. It's more of messaging. And yeah, I should check. But I'm always listening to music on the phone. So my phone is functioning 24/7.
And if we come back to the product of Big C, have you tried what of their products and want to say about like this product?
All of their products I won't say. But today was the first time I went into the Big C store. I know him for a long time. In fact, before my first film even started, we've been in touch since then, and they're a close friend of the family. So I know a lot about their travel, and I keep hearing about their incredible business that they're doing. And he was just telling me what a largely growing market this is. So I'm in touch with them. And today was the first time I actually entered the Big C store. And I felt, it's such a cool way to buy a phone. I haven't stepped out of my house to buy a phone at the moment. I've either bought it abroad or something like that. So it's
Home delivered you 2 iPhone 10s because Nagarjuna Garu has called me. So the phone you're using is been from Big C. So
I just want to ask the same question.
So that's how the journey has started. No. So he's been a friend from last 3-4 years, like how he said. Yes, keep your fingers crossed. So we'll have to make a statement. But when, we'll definitely call all of you and do it. But for as of now, we wholeheartedly thank Akhil once again for being here.
So now I think Nagarjuna sir, Amlan, all family come together. We can see that.
My family is having a lot of combined outings lately. Yeah, with even South India, Sam, me and my dad together. Yeah, hopefully it will be a great experience.
Phones ki koncham దూరంగా ఉంటే బెస్ట్ అని అంటున్నారు.
No, I didn't say that.
No, what about bikes?
Bikes definitely గా దూరంగా ఉండాలి నేనైతే.
ఎందుకంటే మీరు రెగ్యులర్ గా బైక్స్ అంటే మీకు చాలా ఇష్టం కదా.
మా అన్నయ్యకి బైక్స్ అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం. నాకు గుర్రాలంటే ఇష్టం. గుర్రాలంటే నాకు కొంచెం సేఫ్ అట్లీస్ట్. I don't trust myself on a bike. I should stay away from it. In fact, before starting the shoot of Hello, నేను ఒక బైక్ ఎక్కాను. Within 3 days పడిపోయాను, and I should not get on a bike. No one please ever get on a bike with me also.
స్ట్రెస్ ని క్లియర్ చేయాలి అంటే మీరు స్పోర్ట్స్ సైడ్ వెళ్తారా, మ్యూజిక్ వింటారా, అసలు మీ పర్సనల్ హాబీస్?
డ్యూరింగ్ షూట్ మనం షూట్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు లిటరలీ డ్యూరింగ్ ద డే ఆఫ్ షూట్ నేను మ్యూజిక్ ఎక్కువ వింటాను బికాస్ ఐ కాంట్ గో అవే ఫ్రమ్ ద షాట్ అండ్ ప్లే క్రికెట్ ఎనీథింగ్ లైక్ దట్. బట్ వెన్ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ షూటింగ్ ఐ ప్లే లాట్ ఆఫ్ క్రికెట్. ఐ థింక్ ఇట్ కీప్స్ మీ, నాకు కొంచెం స్ట్రెస్ బస్టర్ లాంటిది మీరు అన్నట్టు. And yeah, cricket and music, both my stress busters.
Okay.
My mom, I keep gifting my mom a phone because she refuses to change her phone. Yeah, so instead of asking her, because she'll ask me to do something for Blue Cross or the animals, I just buy her the phone and give it to her.
Hi, this is Bhumika.
Hi, నేను మీ కళ్యాణి ప్రియదర్శన్.
Hi, నేను సునీల్.
Hi, Indigo's viewers. This is Anu Manu.
For all the latest movie reviews,
latest gossip,
Latest updates.
subscribe.
Subscribe.
please subscribe
to IG Telugu.
Subscribe to IG Telugu.